Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on the Mobills application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Mobills application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and password to log in. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which if you wish to set up a profile picture, then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Now, within your profile page, you will see a pen icon alongside your profile picture. Tap on this and you will be allowed to choose a new profile picture. Simply choose a take a picture or the gallery option and then choose your photo. Once you have chosen your profile picture, it will directly be set as your new profile image. You can change this as many times as you want by tapping on the pen icon and then choosing your preferred photo. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile picture on the Mobills application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.